Good evening, students. In today's class, we are going to discuss the preparation of alcohols. See, in the earlier two classes, we have done the introduction of alcohols, phenols, ethers, nomenclature, classification, and isomerism. So, in this lecture, very important concept, that is preparation of alcohols. So, we can remember using a simple mnemonic. Take it as GARH, G-A-R-H. Write to here. So, you will expand this G-A-R-2H, GAR2H. So these are the five methods of preparation of alcohols. First one is Grignard reagent. You know what is meant by Grignard reagent? RMgX, nothing but alkyl magnesium halide. Alkyl magnesium halide is used to prepare the alcohols. Second method is aliphatic primary amines. You know what is meant by primary amines, right? If in this condition one hydrogen is replaced with R group, you call it as primary amine. Now reduction of carbonyl compounds. So what are carbonyl compounds which contains the functional group C double bond O? Under that you are having four important compounds. First one aldehyde, R dash C double bond O dash H. So nothing but aldehyde CHO. Now ketones, on either side you are having alkyl group. This is familiar to us, RCO R dash. Carboxylic acid is R dash C double bond O dash OH, and finally ester is RCO OR dash. So these are the four important carbonyl compounds from which we are going to prepare alcohols. Now fourth one is haloalkanes. What is haloalkane? RX, where X is equal to FCl Br or I. Generally we are using chloride and bromide. The last one is hydrolysis, that is splitting up of the compound in presence of water, that is again ester, nothing but RCO OR dash. So in presence of water we are going to hydrolyze the ester and prepare alcohols. Hope you have understood this. Using GARH we can identify five important methods of preparation of alcohols. Now let's move to the first method, that is from the Grignard reagents. Now let us see the first method, that is from Grignard reagent. So alkyl magnesium halide, we can take CH3MgBr. Now using this method we can prepare all the three types, that is primary, secondary and tertiary alcohols. So first one, if you see this general equation, let us see, you can take aldehydes or ketones here. If you are taking aldehydes, you can prepare primary and secondary alcohols. Now this is a general equation. RMgX, in that we know that very important thing is magnesium is partially positive, more electropositive. So this partial positive will move to oxygen which is negative. So this is the common thing what you have to observe in all the equations. Now what you will get? You will get an intermediate like this, OMgX. Now second step is hydrolysis. In hydrolysis what will happen? Near partial positive magnesium, OH minus will join and O minus here will take H plus. So due to this what you will get? You will get the alcohol, and the byproduct is always MgOHX. So this is our general equation. Using this general equation we can easily identify the formation of all the three types of alcohols. First one, let us take a methanol, that is nothing but formaldehyde. Now once again the same method, Mg plus will combine with O minus, you will get an intermediate. Then on hydrolysis you are going to get primary alcohol, nothing but ethanol. So what is meant by primary alcohol? The carbon with OH is a primary carbon. That means it is connected with only one carbon. We already know this. If the carbon is connected with one carbon, you call it as primary carbon. Because OH is connected to the primary carbon, you call this as primary alcohol. Now how to prepare secondary alcohol? Let us take ethanol, nothing but acetaldehyde. Again the same method, Mg plus will combine with O minus, you get an intermediate. On hydrolysis, OH minus will connect with Mg plus and you are going to get propane dash 2-ol. The root word 3 carbons, prop. Second position alcohol, so 2-ol. How do you call this a secondary alcohol? You observe this carbon, it is connected with two different carbons. So you are having two different carbons, hence you call this carbon as secondary carbon. Because alcohol is connected with secondary carbon, this will come under secondary alcohol. Now the last one, how do you prepare tertiary alcohol? The starting material is ketone. That means carbonyl group is surrounded on either side with the methyl group. This is nothing but propane dash 2-1. Again the same thing, partial positive Mg plus will combine with partial negative O minus. You get an intermediate like this, and on hydrolysis OH minus will link with Mg plus, and you are going to get this compound. MgOHBr is a byproduct, and you will get 1, 2, 3. So prop is the root word. Then at the second position OH is there. Very important thing, why do you call this as tertiary? Because this carbon is known as tertiary carbon. It is surrounded by 3 different carbons. If a carbon is surrounded by 3 different carbon, it is called tertiary carbon, and if OH group is connected to tertiary carbon, that will become tertiary alcohols. Hope you have understood this. Make a note of this.